Assalamu alaikum guys. So we have before selected this specific niche of ice pick that we are going to launch our product in this specific niche of ice pick. But before placing the order with supplier and manufacturer, we need to check and select one competitor uh, that we should be copying and copying his design or his spec so that we can get good sales as well and we make our product as per the buyer's choice, right? So here you can see there are packs of two different variations. Here are some of them having cover with its different colors for their handles and different designs spikes. Right, here is a box with it. So we need to select one of these 48 that are ranked on the first page. You can see here they are selling pack of 6, but it's sponsored. uh, it's something, I think it's something electronic or whatever it is, but now we need to check and select one of the product that is selling that is as per the buyer's choice. You are not going to launch the product as per your wish that you like to, like as you like to launch this one because it looks good to me, so it's not the right decision. We have to launch the product as per buyer choice. So here you can see bestseller and Amazon choice, so you can get the idea from here as well. But in deep analysis, we will be using the tool of helium 10, which is called X-ray. Let's see. So what will let us know the buyer choice? The first of all, let us filter the result and take out the sponsored. Okay, hide the sponsored products. Now, which of these components will let us know that what's the buyer choice? Which of the listing buyers are liking the most? So the component is sale. The sale will let us know the buyer's choice. Whichever listing is selling the most, so we can consider it the best one. So let's sort it from high to low. Yeah. So you can see here, this listing is selling the most. It's selling 3000 units per month, right? This one is selling almost 2000 units per month, and this one 500. So now we need to select one of these. So let's check. This is the first one, and it's a retractable ice pick. And why it is selling so high rate? Because you can see here the price is just $1. So this listing, we cannot complete this listing because it's $1 and it's not according to our criteria. We should be launching a product which is between 8 to 40, or you can just start with 7.5 as well. So you can select this listing, okay, the second one here. So in case of this listing, if you want to select this listing, so you will be launching just one piece, as you can see, one piece, and that should be of 9 inches with a wooden handle, and you can copy all of these aspects of this listing. And if you want to sell with higher price like with 10.99, so you should be selecting the third one. But in this case, you should bear in mind that you have to launch 3 pieces in one listing, right? In the first one it was selling just one piece, but in the third listing you can see here they are selling 3 pieces. And at the same time, while you select any listing as per the criteria, you should check that how much reviews that listing is having. So here you can see this one, if we select this as our competitor, so it is having some reasonable reviews, and we can select this one. Okay, the sales for this one is also right, like it's 2000, so good sales, and the price is also matching our criteria. So if we can get any profit in this price and compete this person, so we can launch this product, right? Same if we check this fourth one. So this fourth person is having 102 reviews, rating 4.8. And at the same time, whenever you select any competitor listing, so you should be checking the rating as well. That our competitor, the design we are going to copy, it should have good rating, so that we may not get what you can say refunds and bad reviews. So here this listing, it is selling for 80, that are reasonable sales. and you can see the price is also very good, and it's just one piece, but this design is different, so you will have to copy this design, right? And the rating is also good, and here it's a plus point that this person is having just 102 reviews, so we can compete this listing very well, right? We can select this one as our competitor. So after analyzing all these components, right, all these components, you will come to the sales graph. Never ever you should forget to check the sales graph once you finalize the competitor. The sales graph is really important. So if you are going to select this listing, so let's check its sales graph. Here it was 0 for almost for almost 1 month or 2 months. The sales were 0. Let's check the all-time graph. But this can be a reason that this seller got out of stock, and that's why he has got his sale just like 0. And yeah, all the time helium 10 is showing. So this person has launched his listing on almost 2021 in June. So from June this person has started selling, so like it's more than 6 months. Okay, the listing age is more than 6 months, so it's good. And how much it is, this person is selling like every day 12, 11, 15. Here it has got dead. After that you can check here, it's 20, about 20, and 18, 9, 15, 14. So you can take average that this person is selling in average like 15 to 16. So these are good sales for 1 day, right? For 1 day 15 to 16 sales are reasonable sales. So you can select this product. If I would have decided to launch in the specific niche of ice pick, so my decision would be that I should go with this listing because this one is having a good price, so I will be getting margins, and sales are also reasonable sales. I should not be greedy that I should get 2,000 sales. So for 80 sales or reasonable sales, revenue is, you can see, fine, about 5,000, and the rating is also good. And here is the basic reason that I want to select this listing. It's because the reviews are just 102, so it's easy to compete this seller, and the review velocity is also 18. Okay, so it means if I will take like 2 to 3 months time to source this product from China, so maybe till that time the reviews will get to 150 or something like that. You can see here the others are having very fast review velocity. They are 34 and 110 and 30, and this one is having 18. Like, it's a good one, right? So if I will launch this specific variation, okay, the second one, so in sourcing my product from China, it may take up to 3 months. So till that time I can guess that the reviews for this specific listing might be around about like 700 to 800. So it will be really difficult to compute this listing. So I will select this fourth listing, which we have sorted according to the sales from high to low. So this was a complete finalizing of a listing when you have decided to launch a product in a specific niche. Like ice pick, I have selected the niche of ice pick. Now I am going to select a specific competitor. The first part of competitor analysis I have shown you completely, and after this you are going to select, if suppose this of the listing that I have selected, if this of the listing is having any variation, okay, if this of the listing is selling 3 to 5 variation, suppose in our case he is just selling 1 variation, so it's good. But you will find in some situations you will find that the listing will be selling 3 to 4 or 5 variations. So which variation, then you have to filter those variations as well, that you are going to launch only 1 variation or 2 variations. So how you will select those variations, so in the next video I will explain that as well.